Hello and welcome to today's video where we're diving into a head-to-head comparison between two popular website building and hosting platforms, Wix and Bluehost. So whether you're a brand new entrepreneur looking to launch your very first website, or you're a seasoned business owner considering a switch, this video will help break down the key features and the pros and cons of each of these to help you make an informed decision. So without further ado, let's get started. First up, let's talk about Wix. Wix is renowned for its user-friendly drag and drop website builder, making it an excellent choice for those who are new to website creation. With Wix, you don't need any coding skills to build a stunning website. It offers a wide range of templates, a highly intuitive interface, and an extensive app market to add functionalities to your site with ease. Wix's popularity stems from its simplicity and flexibility, allowing users to create professional-looking websites without the need for technical expertise. Now let's shift our focus over to Bluehost. So Bluehost is a leading web hosting provider known for its reliable services and strong integration with WordPress. Now, unlike Wix, which is primarily a website builder, Bluehost is a hosting provider that offers a variety of hosting plans, including shared, VPS, and dedicated hosting. It's particularly popular among WordPress users due to its seamless integration and support. Key features of Wix. One of these standout features of Wix is its drag and drop builder. This feature allows users to design their site by simply dragging and dropping elements into place, making the design process incredibly intuitive. Whether you want to add images, text, videos, or other elements to your websites, it's as simple as a few clicks with Wix. This ease of use is a significant advantage for those who might find traditional website building tools too complex. Wix also boasts hundreds of templates that cater to a variety of different industries and styles. So whether you're looking to create a portfolio, an online store, a blog, or a business website, Wix has a template to suit your needs. These templates are professionally designed and can be customized to reflect your brand's unique identity. This extensive library of templates is particularly beneficial for users who might not have a clear vision of what they want their website to look like, providing a great starting point for inspiration. Another notable feature of Wix is its app market. The app market offers a plethora of apps and integrations that can enhance your website's functionality. From SEO tools and social media integrations to e-commerce solutions and marketing tools, the app market allows you to add the features you need to grow your online presence. This flexibility makes Wix a versatile platform that can evolve with your business. For those who prefer an even quicker start, Wix offers an AI-powered website design tool called Wix ADI, Artificial Design Intelligence. With Wix ADI, you simply answer a few questions about your website's purpose and style preferences, and the AI will create a personalized website just for you. This feature is perfect for users who want to get online quickly without spending too much time on design or customization. Mobile optimization is another area where Wix excels. All Wix sites are automatically optimized for mobile devices, ensuring that your site looks great and functions smoothly on any screen size. This is crucial in today's mobile-first world where a significant portion of web traffic comes from mobile devices. Wix also includes built-in SEO tools to help your site rank better on search engines. From meta tags and alt text to URL customization and 301 redirects, Wix provides the tools you need to improve your site's visibility and attract more visitors. For users who might not be familiar with SEO best practices, Wix offers a step-by-step guides and suggestions to help you optimize your site. When it comes to e-commerce capabilities, Wix offers a robust set of tools for building and managing online stores. With Wix, you can create a professional-looking online store, manage inventory, process payments, and track orders. Wix also supports secure payments and offers various shipping options, making it easy to sell products online. Key features of Bluehost. Bluehost offers a range of hosting plans to suit different needs. So whether you're running a small personal blog or a large e-commerce site, Bluehost has a plan that can accommodate your requirements. Their shared hosting plans are perfect for small to medium-sized websites, offering a cost-effective solution with reliable performance. For sites that need more resources and control, Bluehost's VPS and dedicated hosting plans provide enhanced performance and scalability. One of the key features of Bluehost is its strong integration with WordPress. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress.org and offers one-click WordPress installation, making it incredibly easy to get your WordPress site up and running. Additionally, Bluehost provides automatic WordPress updates, ensuring that your site is always running the latest version with the most recent security patches. Bluehost also includes a free domain for the first year with most of its plans. This is a great benefit for those who are just starting out and want to establish their online presence without a lot of additional costs. Along with the free domain, Bluehost provides provides a free SSL certificate, enhancing your site's security by encrypting data transmitted between your site and its visitors. This is especially important for sites that handle sensitive information, such as e-commerce stores. Customer support is another area where Bluehost shines. They offer 24/7 support through phone, chat, and email, ensuring that help is always available when you need it. Their support team is extremely knowledgeable and can assist with a wide range of issues, from technical problems to account management. Bluehost scalability is a significant advantage for growing businesses. As your website grows and your traffic increases, you can easily upgrade your hosting plan to accommodate the increased demand. This flexibility ensures that your site remains fast and responsive, even as it attracts more visitors. When it comes to performance, Bluehost is known for its reliable uptime and fast loading speeds. Their infrastructure is designed to handle high traffic volumes, making it a great choice for businesses that expect significant growth. Bluehost also offers a content delivery network, or a CDN, to further improve site performance by distributing content across multiple servers worldwide, reducing load times for visitors. For e-commerce websites, Bluehost offers robust features through its WooCommerce integration. WooCommerce is a powerful e-commerce platform built on WordPress, and Bluehost integration makes it easy to set up and manage your online store. With WooCommerce, you can sell physical as well as digital products, manage inventory, process payments, and more. This makes Bluehost a great option for businesses looking to build a scalable and secure online store. Security is a top priority for Bluehost. In addition to the free SSL certificate, Bluehost offers various security features to protect your site from threats. These include SiteLock, which provides malware scanning and removal, and CodeGuard, which offers daily backups and one-click restores. These features give you peace of mind knowing that your site is protected and can be quickly restored in any case of issue. First, let's talk about ease of use. Now, Wix is known for its incredibly user-friendly drag-and-drop interface. It's ideal for users who want to get a site up and running quickly without any coding knowledge. On the other hand, while Bluehost offers a straightforward WordPress installation, managing a hosting account can definitely be more complex compared to Wix's all-in-one platform. However, the Bluehost dashboard is relatively user-friendly for those with some technical skills. In terms of customization and flexibility, Wix offers customization through its templates and app market, but can be limiting for advanced developers due to the lack of full code access. Bluehost, on the other hand, provides full control over your website with access to your site's backend. This makes it highly customizable, but requires more technical knowledge. When it comes to performance and reliability, Wix generally offers good performance, but as a shared platform, it might face limitations during traffic spikes. Bluehost, known for its robust performance and reliability, especially with its VPS and dedicated hosting plans, ensures high uptimes and fast loading speeds, crucial for maintaining a professional website. E-commerce capabilities are also a critical consideration. Wix offers integrated e-commerce features suitable for small to medium-sized online stores. It provides tools like product galleries, secure payments, and inventory management. Bluehost excels in e-commerce when combined with WooCommerce, offering advanced features for larger stores, including product management, payment processing, and extensive plugin support. Support and resources are vital for maintaining your website, and Wix provides 24/7 support through chat and phone, along with a comprehensive help center with tutorials and forums. Bluehost also offers 24/7 support through chat, phone, and email, and provides a knowledge base, video tutorials, and dedicated WordPress support. Pricing is another important factor to consider, and here's a detailed breakdown of the pricing plans for both Wix and Bluehost. Starting with Wix. Wix offers a free plan that includes a Wix branded domain with ads. As for their premium plans, Wix has several premium plans designed to cater to different needs. Starting with their light plan at $17 per month. This plan includes 2 gigabytes of storage, a custom domain, free domain for 1 year, and 24/7 customer care. It's ideal for basic website needs. Then there's the core plan priced at $29 per month, and this plan offers 50 gigabytes of storage, 5 collaborators, site analytics, and basic e-commerce capabilities. And this is suitable for small businesses who are looking to grow. Then there's the business plan for $36 per month, and you get 100 gigabytes of storage, 10 collaborators, advanced marketing suite, standard site analytics, and advanced e-commerce features. This plan is tailored for expanding businesses. Business Elite plan. At $159 per month, it includes unlimited storage, 15 collaborators, advanced site analytics, and comprehensive e-commerce tools, making it perfect for larger businesses aiming for significant online presence and sales. Now, some additional features. All premium plans include a custom domain with no Wix branding and 24/7 customer care. The higher tier plans offer more storage and more advanced marketing tools and enhanced e-commerce capabilities. Bluehost. Web hosting plans. Bluehost offers several hosting plans with varying features and prices. services. The initial term offers significant discounts, but renewal rates are a bit higher. Their basic plan at $295 per month, normally $11.99 per month. This plan is perfect for one site. It includes 10 gigabytes SSD storage, free CDN, free SSL for the first year, and one free domain for the first year. The Plus plan, priced at $545 per month, normally $16.99 per month. It allows for multiple sites with 20 gigabytes SSD storage, free CDN, free SSL for the first year, and one free domain for the first year. The Choice Plus plan, also at $545 per month, normally $21.99 per month. This plan includes additional privacy and security features, such as domain privacy and free backups for the first year. And there's the Pro plan at $13.95 per month, normally $28.99 per month, and it provides more speed and processing power with 100 gigabytes of SSD storage, free CDN, free SSL for the first year, one free domain for the first year, and enhanced performance features. While Bluehost plans come with significant features, additional costs can accrue for renewals and optional services like advanced security and privacy tools. Renewal rates are higher than the initial discounted rates as well. Now, both Wix and Bluehost offer a range of plans to cater to different needs and budgets. While Wix focuses on website building with a variety of e-commerce features, Bluehost provides robust hosting solutions ideal for WordPress and other site management needs. If you want to get started with either Wix or Bluehost, there will be links down in the description to do so. And if you want to get started with Wix, just click on the link next to Wix and that'll bring you to this page right here. All you need is an email address to get started, so just enter that and hit start now. After you enter in an email address and a password, it's just going to ask you a couple questions to get started with your website. First, it's going to ask, who are you creating this site for, either for yourself or for someone else? And we'll go ahead and select for ourselves and hit continue. Next, it's going to ask if you want to get started with their AI website builder. And if you wanted to do so, you just click on start chat. But for now, we're just going to hit setup without chat. Next, it's going to ask what type of website that you want to create. There's a list of options here, and you can search for even more specific options in this search bar here. But for now, we'll go ahead and just select online store and hit continue. And as you can see, getting started with Wix is super easy. All you need is an email address and a password to get started with their free account. And this is what the dashboard looks like, so you can manage everything for your very first website. Now, if you want to get started with Bluehost, go ahead and click the link down in the description for Bluehost, which will bring you to this page right here. From here, you can go ahead and click Get Started Now, which will bring you down to the different plans here. We have the Basic, the Choice Plus, the Online Store, and the Pro. So let's go ahead and select the Choice Plus. And again, if you use this link down in the description, you're going to get additional savings from the pricing that we talked about. So go ahead and select whichever plan works best for you. And from here, it's going to ask you to set up your domain. You can either create a new domain or use a domain that you already own. We'll go ahead and just do that later. And from here, you just need to create your account, fill out that information there. Next, choose your plan information. For the service term, you can choose either 1 month, 12 month, or 36 month. For this option, we'll go ahead and just select the 12 month, and you can see you're gonna get 12 months of hosting for $59.40. So the choice between Wix and Bluehost ultimately depends on your specific needs and technical proficiency. You should choose Wix if you're a beginner looking for an easy to use platform that requires no coding skills, if you need a visually appealing website quickly with plenty of template options, and you prefer an all-in-one solution that includes hosting, domain, and a website builder all in one platform. Now, you should choose Bluehost if you want to build a WordPress site and you need robust hosting services, require a highly customizable website with access to backend settings, and you need scalability and advanced features as your site grows. Both platforms offer excellent tools to help you build and maintain a professional website. Consider your priorities, whether it's ease of use, customization, performance, or cost, and choose the platform that best aligns with your goals. Now, don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials on web development and design. Also, be sure to check out those links down in the description for exclusive discounts on both Wix and Bluehost plans. These are affiliate links and they do help out the channel, so if you do end up using those links, we thank you so much in advance. Other than that, thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.